Go.
This is my gun I had for a long time. It's a Nerf gun. I'm going to be showing you some other guns today, but this is the first. It gets clogged a lot. You can get it if you want to, but this is how it works. You cock that back and fire. I'm not going to shoot them all. There's a lot more bullets in it, but I'm not going to shoot it all. Next up is this gun. I got a lot of cases. And there's another part that I want to show you. Hold on, I'll be right back. There's this part, clip on your pants, the gun goes right in it. And I got 2 cases for it. It's not a Nerf gun.
That's an air hog, right?
It's an air hog, I think. This case holds 12. This case holds 9. I'm going to show you the 9 case. I'm not going to show you the 12 case.
I believe that's a 20 case, isn't it?
Oh, it's
The big one?
Yeah.
20.
Oh, it's a 20 case, the big one. I think it's 12, though.
Okay.
So, here goes nothing.
All right.
Oh, it's already cocked. Oopsie.
Well, that's not...
That didn't work out too well. I don't think I slammed it in all the way.
What's the name of that one? Is there a name on the side?
I don't know.
So we...
Airhawk Warrior something. It'll say when you get it on the side.
Yeah. Can you hold it up? I'll do a close-up of the side so we can see.
Here it is.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah?
I ain't get a shower. I gotta run Big R and get a new lunchbox.
Oi!
You can come with me?
Yeah?
No.
Okay.
Well, sometime tonight I can go.
Well, go later when I'm done with my video. So,
It's
ready
not-
to see it shoot?
Well, I'm gonna get a shower.
Ready to see it shoot?
Yeah, we're ready.
Here it goes. Hold on, guys. Pause. Wait, hold on. This case not right. Must not be in right. Let me get it out. It's a really hard case, so I wouldn't recommend getting this one. Oh, sorry. It has a clogged bullet in it.
Oh, clogged bullet.
Get it out. It usually doesn't get clogged, guys. Guys, it usually doesn't get clogged. You don't have to get it, but it's a good gun. And it shoots fast and hard. I would say about 5 or up. Here it goes. Oh.
This is the first time we've ever had a problem with this.
This is the first time we ever had a
Yeah,
problem with it.
that's... I wonder, is maybe a bullet's clogged in the case?
What case?
In the yellow case that you hold all the bullets, maybe?
No, there's not. There's one up there still.
Oh.
There's one. One was supposed to come out. Okay, guys.
This can happen a lot. It
This
happens.
happens a lot. Every single of my guns has this problem. Oh, it's already gone.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, now.
Show us what it does.
Please tell me it shoots. Okay, guys. Guys.
Huh.
Guys, this gun is not going to be in the video.
Well,
anymore.
move to the next one. We will review that, check that gun out, and then do another review on that one.
Yeah.
Once we figure out the problem.
Yeah, we will.
So, what's the next gun?
This gun, it comes with a little...
What's that one called?
So one of the B guns.
Is it a Nerf gun? Yes.
Gun.
Okay.
Comes with little cases. In there comes a little case that goes with it. Bullet, you just fire. And you can get bullets at the store. Oh, it looks like I had a bullet already in there. Looks like I shot a bullet from yesterday. Here goes nothing. That happens all the time. This gun breaks a lot, folks.
So you wouldn't recommend that one?
I wouldn't recommend it.
Okay.
I wouldn't recommend. Oh, the bullet's broke. Let me get a new bullet.
Bullets break a lot with the Nerf guns, but they're cheap, so you could just get a new pack.
Got it. That's why I didn't fire. Where did the bullets go?
Behind the chair.
Yeah. Behind the chair. Oh, not back there. Oh, over here. I'm right behind the chair.
Okay.
Try this again. And since I just have one, I'm not going to use the case. I'll just snap it in. I'll just put it in like this since I only have one
Okay.
right now. You can put it in the case or you could do this. I have another case right there. Put those both in there. Or you could do this. Or you could do it this way. But keep this in or they'll fall out. You just put it right in like this if you want to do it this way. That's all I'm going to do today. And push it right up and in. And then this, you just press that button, it comes out. And here it goes, nothing. Okay, guys, we're going to move on. Okay?
Did that shoot? What?
This gun gets called
Okay. Wow. We might have to do
This
a
I know
video.
gun will work.
Okay. What's that one called, Tot?
Here it is. It's another one of those B ones.
A Nerf or a air hog?
I think it's a Nerf.
Nerf?
Okay, now we're going to shoot it. I know this one will shoot.
Bullseye.
And then there's two more cases that'll come with it.
Okay.
We'll try shooting that one out.
Bring that closer so we can see the name of it.
Some kind of gun. I'll bring it.
Yeah, bring it up so
It's a good gun. I just don't know why that.
let's see the name of it. What's on the side? It is a... Back it up a little there. It's a... It is an Air Warriors. I had it wrong. Air Warriors double shot. I was calling it Air Hog. Nope, they are Air Warriors. Okay. And then what's next?
The next gun I'll show you is this big one.
And bring that up real quick so we can check out the name on that one before you demonstrate. What is that one? That one is the, oh boy, the Air Blasters Barbarian.
Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing.
This one's this one's pretty good.
The first trigger pulls the big one, and then the second trigger pulls the little ones, and you have to cock it back for the little ones. Watch this. What?
Nothing. Good job. Bullseye.
The little ones.
Yeah. That one works pretty good.
One of those went in the bin.
I would recommend this one as a good choice.
Is a good one. And in a couple days, I'll have a new one to show you.
And the prices on these are all pretty reasonable. $20, $25 tops. Except for maybe one that we have that might have been around $50. But that one, I think, is in another video.
This one is maybe...
Let's see what that one is.
Don't think it has a name on it.
Nope, right here in the corner.
That's...
Oh, no. That's, no.
Well, there's no reason.
Is it not a Nerf then?
It's a Nerf. It's
Okay,
a Nerf.
well, a no-named Nerf gun. Okay.
No-name Nerf gun. It did the shoot.
Shoots good, yeah.
Next gun. This one has a laser on it. I'll do this one in dark. I'll do this one in dark.
Try it. Okay, and that's a Nerf as well?
Yeah, it's a Nerf. I'll show you.
Let's see
Nerf.
what the name of it. It is a, Fire Strike Elite.
Now let's just do its thing. Okay.
That
That's
is
a
pretty
little
cool.
laser. Can you see that little?
Yeah, we can. Neat. Okay. Wow.
And these don't shoot, you just have to pull it up. Did I hit your elbow?
You sure did.
Really? Did I hit it
No.
again? I'm aiming for your elbow.
Don't do that, or I'm not going to video record your videos. That's a very bright red light there.
I know.
Okay, that one works pretty well too. What else do you got for us?
Hold on. Let me get this one ready. I forgot to load this one.
So what's your favorite Nerf gun, Tyler? Do you have a favorite?
The favorite, I would say, my new Warriors. The new gun.
Oh, so the Air Warriors?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
But it usually doesn't cost. I wouldn't recommend getting this one. It doesn't shoot that well.
The Arrow?
See, you'll see in a sec.
What's the name of that one?
I don't know. See, just two of them just flew out.
Oh,
That was only one more.
I see.
What? Didn't shoot that well, but you have a finger.
Do a close-up on that one so we can see the name of it, Tyler.
And there's one more. I don't think this one has a name on it.
Yeah, it's a...
Nerf.
Just a Nerf?
It's this Nerf gun.
Arrow shooter? Or...
Nerf gun.
Okay. And then another Nerf? Or is that an Air Warrior?
I'll say Nerf.
Okay. Another Nerf?
Most of my guns are Nerf.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's a good shoot.
Whoops. We're in the other room. Oh, good shoot. All right. Oh, we're right over you.
Good job, buddy. Nice.
Cannons and then there's another round. Yeah.
Alright.
And
Do you have any more?
I forgot to show you.
Okay, one more.
Graph. I forgot to graph.
Oh, okay. Oh, boy. There, okay. Oh,
Don't shoot people with this gun.
that's for targets, yes.
This
because
is for
that's
targets only.
not a Nerf.
And I'm
that's
sorry
a,
if I accidentally hit you by it.
No. I'm not going to be doing... No. You're not going to shoot it while I'm holding this. No.
I'll shoot.
No way. I'm going to move. I'm serious. That will hurt. That's not.
Did you tape it, Mom? Did you tape it?
Yeah, I did, but don't ever do that again. That's for shooting targets.
Okay.
Anyways, what's that called?
What?
Bring that up here so we can see what it's called. It is a what's the next generation. I believe that came from Bass Pro, and it also came with a big blow-up deer that you can shoot.
What?
Yeah,
Came up with what?
a big blow-up deer.
Yeah, it came with a big
All
one.
right, are we done then for this video?
Bye, guys.
Bye.